is I changed my rims on my truck from these to the Laramie wheels, and that way it gave me some newer tires. Only had about 4,000 miles on them. These right here, they had 38,000 miles on this front right tire. It got out of round or something, so it started wearing unevenly, and I had a vibration going on in my truck. Instead of just buying new tires, I just went in and got new rims and tires. It was a lot cheaper. But anyway, got these tires. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like, and then you can look at an overview of the truck as what it looked like with these rims on there and with the new rims. Hope y'all enjoy. And it's just going to add a whole different look to the truck, and it's a lot cheaper to buy those takeoffs than it was for me just to buy new tires and put on here, and it just improves the appearance of the truck.